Today I'm doing a steady run. It's a low zone 4 effort. It's a steady effort. I'm going to start with a 1 mile jog and then do a 5K, a steady effort. RPE wise, it's like between 7 and 8. Turn around, have a nice tailwind on the way back. Oh, that tailwind is so much better. All right, let's take this to the house, baby. About a quarter mile left. Still like a 7.5 RPE. Let's finish this thing strong. Steady runs are tough. It's not easy. It's hot. Okay, well, that was a good steady run. It was pretty difficult. I pushed the pace a little too much. If you like these videos, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep running, and as always, it's nice to have a snack right after your run.